All right, so I almost burned my house down. What happened?
We had a space heater plugged into it. There's a couple things right away that I noticed. This outlet's pretty old. One thing that I see right away is a flathead screw. When these are typically put in with 2 screws and the Phillips, if I see a flathead like that, I know this thing is at least from the early 80s. 40-something-year-old outlet that's probably been used on the regular. It's in an open area. When you plug in things in and out, in and out, in and out, it's gonna get loose after a while. There was probably not a good connection anymore, and you got some arcing. When you get arcing, the electricity's jumping because now there's a space where it's supposed to be nice and tight, and that produces heat. It gets hotter and hotter and hotter, and all of a sudden, I guess it was flames. Was it?
It was nuts. There were flames pouring out. My daughter said, "Hey, there's fire coming out of the wall."
It's actually damage on your wall. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut off anything that's damaged, replace it with a new outlet, and we should be good to go.